The legal battle between the opposition and the government over the national identification system is set for October. The matter will be heard in the Supreme Court between October 22 and 24 before a panel of 3 judges. People's National Party General Secretary Julian Robinson is challenging the constitutionality of sections of the National Identification Registration Act, arguing they infringe on citizen security rights, equality before the law, privacy and due process.
We'll continue the preparations and ensure we are ready, and we're glad. In court terms, I'm told that this date is an early date because it requires 3 judges sitting at the same time. So we're happy and eager to get the matter started. We believe the matter is of critical national importance, and it's important that it is dealt with as quickly as possible.
We were represented in court by Michael Hilton, Donna Scott Motley, and instructed by Philip Paulwell from Paulwell, Fraser Binns and Associates.
The PNP is being represented by Michael Hilton, Donna Scott Motley and Philip Paulwell.